بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم أجمعين، ثم أما بعد. النهاردة إن شاء الله أنا جمعت لكم بعض الفريزز، بعض العبارات وبعض التراكيب اللي هي إن شاء الله هتساعدك في إنك أنت إزاي تعرف يعني how to use أو how to communicate with other people، إزاي تقدر تتواصل مع الناس الآخرين بكل بساطة. والنهاردة جمعتها لك ومعاك البرونسيشن، النطق بتاعها الصحيح مرة واتنين زائد الترجمة بتاعتها. وحاول انك تعمل فوكس كده، تركز وتعمل كونسنتريشن، تركيز في البرونسيشن النطق، وتسمع كويس وتحاول ان انت ريبيت، تردد مرة واثنين وثلاثة، بحيث ان انت تبدأ تو ماستر ذات لانجويج، تعرف تتقن هذه اللغة. واتمنى ان شاء الله ان الفيديو ده يعجبك بالترجمه بتاعته، بالبرونسيشن بتاعه، بالنطق بتاعه، ونتواصل مع بعض في ان احنا بنتعلم لغه، سواء احنا دارسين او احنا مبتدئين او احنا عايزين نهوى او نستخدم اللغه دهيت في اور جوب، وظيفتنا، او في الشارع، او في لغتنا، او في تواصلاتنا مع الناس كلها. وتعالى نشوف مع بعضنا ونحكم. وما تنساش تشترك في القناه وتفعل الجرس وتوصلنا كل دعم. ولو في اي حاجه تواصل معانا. ويلا بينا نبدأ مع بعض. يلا بينا.
Here you go.
What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
What is the film about? What is the film about? Is there a pharmacy nearby? Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Are you free this weekend? Are you free this weekend? I know a good place. I know a good place.
I'll call you. I'll call you. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Shut up. Shut up.
I'm starving. I'm starving.
Where are you? Where are you?
I am lost. I am lost.
Can I try it on? Can I try it on?
She is bad at tennis. She is bad at tennis. I bought this sweater. I bought this sweater. I went to a cafe. I went to a cafe. How may I help you? How may I help you?
That's true. That's true.
You're so cute. You're so cute.
Why do you want to work here? Why do you want to work here? Why are you leaving your job? Why are you leaving your job? What do you know about this company? What do you know about this company?
I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well.
Who is this, please? Who is this, please? My number is 556-688. My number is 556-688. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I lock the door. I lock the door. I go to work. I go to work. I check my email. I check my email. I do laundry. I do laundry. I make lunch. I make lunch. I buy groceries. I buy groceries. I charge the battery on my phone. I charge the battery on my phone. I go to sleep around midnight. I go to sleep around midnight. Do you have any money? Do you have any money? I want to be rich. I want to be rich. Can I borrow some money? Can I borrow some money? I am broke. I am broke.
What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite TV show?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Of course not. Of course not.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. What a coincidence. What a coincidence.
You're pretty good. You're pretty good. Good for you. Good for you. It was a good day. It was a good day.
You look great today. You look great today.
I miss you. I miss you.
You did a great job. You did a great job.
وبكده حضراتكم نكون خلصنا الفيديو بتاعنا، ويا ريت نكون استفدنا بيه ان شاء الله، وعلى وعد ان احنا هنكمل مع بعض، بس يا ريت نستفيد ونعلق ونفعل جرس القناه. وسلام عليكم.